How can we possibly forget? One 20 days plus anniversary for Ijele. How can we forget? We will not forget. Agwa unu chefu godu ayaye chefu. Valentine ndo kasavi Ijele. This particular anniversary this time around, I chose to celebrate Ijele 120 days plus with my brother Ijowa.
Apujizim. Abani Ijowa. Ezulem kan gwa godo.
Ogoni Ijowa.
Because no man know them. Because Piaga na share button, share the video, send your love and like, share video go ga viral. Here the ba una muna ezu go wannam. I decided ka ye twaro. Ibe Valentine, Piaga na share button. I say to pazi are man ayo Christian, I enwe ko obi as obi umana. Edego. I am obi umana. I am hope ojo. So I will decide but say na I ga balo. Kamu na ezu go mara ka I ga si raise 60 million. For 60 million.
Yeah, 60 million.
60 million. Ezu go 30 mo 30.
Then ebe ona nde Omenala onye do capable of provide 2 properties. I have decided to provide one of those properties.
More provide one. Can go soon in
Ijowa ye water one.
Check and go say property.
You need to go say.
Okay. Because I know like now. I can because you know of property. As you go off. So what 30 million, let's go to 30 million. Because share the video. Can we get Bobble one night, but yeah, 120 kono na anniversary.
Yeah, 120 plus.
120 plus. So I go 120 plus. So no, me 30 million. As you go to 30 million. But I give you na ya 30 million. Check him. Eben na me so come by flight. Yeah. So check for my check, and without check, must send 30 million. Without my check, must send 30 million. So I take you because I cannot Nigeria, So I take you maybe more 6 months. And when you make a better, I take more 6 months. Imagine before Chiga. So after 6 months, not Nigeria Chiga, and when we can pick my check, company na roll number go Western world. And when you have for leave also. So how we leave also we give next year? Leave. Next year leave also. Leave also. Where but was here? And when my community go see where we take the 60 million. Where JJ pop 19
na. How many this thing or dollar easy? As in reduce get to
30 million.
30 million. So Ijowa.
About 15.
Water 15, water 15. I get equal.
Okay. I reduce go to 30 million. What's the 60? So about 15 million. Let's go to 15 million.
Onye melu ya mane melu ya omala onye ya
mane. I am a copy. Because share vida. People can share but people can share. I am a copy on my tag mbo ndem umusu. Tag umusu. Umuozu. Can block ozu. Ezugo, I'm block ozu choy block. I'm block ozu. Hey, everything that goes around comes around.
Trouble is expensive. Avoid trouble anyway. I'm a known but we can never forget.
Lie.
Onu shefu ye, aye shefu. Aye kaya de shetalo no nyo.
Aye le sheti Ijele, but Ijele one night. Ijele one night. You love Ijele, love what I have. Or more than Ijele almost about something million. Na page. Everything that goes around comes around, my brother. Almost. Mother, n'ihu akwụkwọ. You see, you will buy this person. I will buy this person. I will buy this person. I will buy. I will buy. Agbakata egbe. Okay, as you go. Izu charge oil with 5 million. Okay, if I person I get mobile fundraising. Because imagine get what 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. They were in a comment section because can raise any Ijele ego now. Oh, imagine get what because imagine get what they be here 10 million, 5 million, 2 million, 3 million. More here with 15 million. Let's go to 15 million. So imagine get what 2,000, 115, 800, 200. Because see, can raise any ego. Target material says hey, almost a block almost a block Ozua. I was usually block. I want to do. I want to do. Look at that better. Up that nona. You see, you buy this person, you buy this person, you buy this person, you buy this person. We go. Can they get go 2,000, 1,000, 500, maybe 15 million. Maybe 15 million, but next year. Let's go to 15 million next year. So can you get 2,000, 1,500? Okay, God bless you. And once I go to 1,500. Unique is out 1,500. Which because
then ona amalukona na if I hear music.
Okay, oh yeah, because 1.1 billion.
Now, if I decide the email is that I decide to go.
That's 100K.
I decide to go
300 naira.
I don't think.
You see the
I don't know. Try. I will mother. I will mother. Now, what we have decided is that. What we have decided, please, you will not cry over any of you. I decided in Oblona, Ijele Potazie, we want to empower Ijele. So that he can become productive.
Yeah,
with something. But can I shop that now in on Kete? We will all these things. I will bring 500K. Osinashi don't marry.
God bless you.
Thank you very much.
50 naira. God bless you.
Dalo no one call Hana. Ibe Valentine's I will donate 10 million.
10 million.
Call Hana with a home where Dalo no denkai. Aye man aye will kwakere kwakere. Aye will even age awano. Wadana. Eh? Okuno kadro mocho. Yotago. I will cook soup and amala. I will cook a wedding soup and amala for him. That alone know him is Ushuku Charles. Is I shot the Kainegalo too much on a eh? Ijoa, we are forgiving him. I forgive you.
120 plus.
If I not just get our home, the way forward, the Kaina shows. You want to go? Ezugo and Dijo were Pepe Den Gang. Pepe Den Gang. His girlfriend get there my house now. He be Valentine.
I'll bring peace and I get bread. Each of us I get bread.
Ezugo, anytime you show us your proof of a lot, I will support with 100 naira. No.
Ego carry.
120 days anniversary for Ijele. Let us wish him well. Then let us
1,000 euro. Hey!
Oh,
20 million. Hey! Ego carry. In case Ego carry. Donate one. I got 1 cup of Gary. Because him and I in on Kitty, and one hack all. And one hack all Rajoka. And one hack all Rajoka. One water get give me. Chile doom lodgings get give me. I want hack all. So can I try hey, Bidolia? Capital I and on Kitty. Him and I go to was him when on Kitty. Nde one. The youngest bishop. The youngest bishop. Yeah, Oibo Keras. Oibo Keras. Yes. Ijele si ya nwere Ijele si na ya na eji asorok ya na ndị asorok na-ekwu. Mana afọ asorok afọ Ijele 120 days anniversary. I na-ewish ya 120 days anniversary. Oge ofe nsara. Anyị besara ya nyewa esi ofe nsara. Ya si bere gị nna gị ịneta ndụ gị anya. Akwa na ije ụwa. Ezugoro ka anyị akwụsị ebe a.
Akwari onye a na-edistract ma nwekwana n'ife
mbụ
nwekwana nọ jidegodo the key with the girlfriend there my house now. Okwu na ụka adọrọ mma ọchịchọ. Okwu na ụka adọrọ mma ọchịchọ. Okwu na ụka adọrọ mma ọchịchọ. O ji ego o ji ọgwụ. O ji ego o ji ọgwụ. Ọ na-afụ gị confirm. O ji ego o ji ọgwụ. Iwe onye ji hello Kabiru. The spring where they put that from. You double that spring that day.
Come. Tell us your mother again.
Yes, you double it. Nah, just you don't double it.
Okay.
You don't double it. You say
I'm going to do Ojiwe manu ya. Ojiwe manu besekwa ne man ihe chi gabu. Ezugo. One night wine maka nnabati ya. Oge chi jaga. Onye ma chi ya ihe chi gabu ya gwa. Ojiwe manu ya. Ojiwe manu besekwa ne man ihe chi gabu. Onye ma chi ya Otherwise, almost 120 days anniversary. What does it we bless God.
You know how many days anniversary? Because
120.
Okay, okay, add another extra 120.
Next year,
I used to guys celebrate earlier 120 years and those who are abandoned again.
No, but they were jubilating the other day. They reduced all the bad condition, so they're supposed to come out. He's supposed to come out now.
I remember forest now at 15 million. Let's go to 15 million. But not by next year.
Okay, okay. Reduce only. I can actually get involved because I want to help a brother. I want to help a brother.
Next year, next year, when Lucha Uno Nalo na BGC, as a property man, I don't need you. Alocha honke next year.
The funny part. Ndabia court. I just okay. What is the problem? They, I'm not their lawyer. Nailed down. Now you're big. What I go? Oh, he nailed down. In my house, I hire the best son. You want to go? But how can you hire a best son that can kneel down in presence of judge? Not really, because that one apart, because lawyer gave me anything or game, to get you want to go, because this case is like a popular case. So now, I just actually now I have a problem about the bad condition. I covered the one with the main story. You make question me put the first time and I got to documents on street. Imagine ebe would you the judge? The judge could have reduced the property one. Nda gaga ko maybe before a day cinema grama nda gaga ko okroko on the street. So apart from that the game, I know what is going on. Akwa the less na I'm all these things. So case two de la everything has to be verified. You want to go? You can't just with any documents. Yeah. Imagine maybe you had the full details and when time couples with my job. You want to go? So but I want to give a little hint basara the thing. Mgbe ha na-ekwu na Udele ga-apụta soon, ha ga-akụ akụrụ documents. Mgbe ha na-ekwu Udele is coming out, don't worry, Udele is in a good spirit, Udele, you know, all this kind of time. So ha ga-akụ akụrụ state documents. Wetenu ya no, lawyer Ebuka Obi ha ga no verification. Who na everything wa akụrụ. You what may object. The judge actually, okay, now I chop this kind of thing in repeat again. So after all said and done, they return back. Sorry about the little noise.
I don't need them.
Okay, after all said and done, they returned again. Yeah, was in Babe Bashi George that they are finding it so difficult to get the back condition, you know, to come up with the back condition. So George Ajo Rebecca with that difficulty. How you know two persons in a 5 billion house? You what that? George Ashi okay, now I got touch that part. Maybe I get it through here go no. Na ebe you need to have bad condition. No ebe the ego no. Ni age me na you put 20 million.
Okay. Yeah, me see that way. In that case, yeah. I had to know. Wonder why yeah, I'm finish on no again.
Okay.
As you come up, I'm going to be
Finish.
Even I boost on what go down like ebe Zion before they finish. Me go the proper thing in them abandon. Kai gana Zion. Even when I here could be gay robber. E what Zion could be. I near go back. E what go. Say get boost on.
Okunu ka adọ mma.
If the problem won't actually write down, they will go home and sleep. They will go home and sleep. But talking one, you'll be the one. That, and I say, come on, you will tell you walk when you are the big masquerades. You will have our markets. And your health is deteriorating, but who give a toss? The worst thing, Onyana and Koroya and Ghana or Chimezi Ewu London. Oh, you want to make it see difficult. I'm not bagging the truth. I can't just make up story. The guy be pucha, and you're gonna lawyer, say lawyer, how far? The boy who you to one I say okay, don't worry. The guy with the problem with the language na is our. But then I where's our says our but who not the main problem? This guy ana boy, and Casey ana boy, so Chime again ana boy. That is the problem. So kucha to chong and I the whole thing. What I'm saying, I got now 30 billion house na the only one level 14. I'm going level 14 in Nigeria. And the care even put the
nwere onye nwe level 14 na ma onye o. Professor here the light of Africa.
I don't know who that is. But the funny part is Udele case is more difficult than Ngashi with the Casey. This man is going to go CBN. Now listen. That level 14 onye hierarchy the mentor to get verify that's how we with it. Or what is that level 14 and submit here? That person needs to sign. Like now, okay, let me give an example. Like hierarchy no, your boss, right?
Yes.
Then you are illegal level 14. You are entitled to bring anything to bring somebody else, right? So it's any other thing. They need to come to me to verify with my own signature. Wow. I don't know what they're doing.
Yeah.
But Ezugo when I right to do it. Ezugo need to come back to me. Then I have to put it in writing. Sure, okay, yes. I'm Ezugo. That Ezugo. Yes, go ahead. May put it's not why is it very difficult.
Okay. No. I want to be here. I should come on 14. Chicken weight of truth.
Please, conduct into a bag. So, the reason why I'm telling you this, so how can you know when you're level 14, they make your own decision. No, 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 no. Uh-uh. Chana, the for level 14 or gandoga. The person in a higher or now what how this people you know, hey, they have reduced the debate condition. They were doing fundraising, they were able to raise only 700,000.
It's it's more like a senator. It's not only maybe a senator, maybe a standing for you, but my senate president, yeah, confirm. You want to go, yeah, endorse that senator. Yeah, so it's more like saying that. So it's
Exactly.
not about getting a senator, but getting the senate president to sign. Yeah.
He confirmed. He confirmed Muge exactly what I meant. Yes, on him meaning. So Habalia Udela is in on too is not gonna help. And then the funny part Udela will not gonna be the only victim. But all can have to the chance Udela and I be to the main game. It was a go. Even the back all the what change for people now she it's not lie. It's a lie.
But what will
If onye
it take
metere
these people to
buru
humble down, to be humble and they ask for forgiveness and go eat the it takes nothing to be humble.
and
It's obvious that now the
the
thing will
it's
go.
okay, the funny part, my man can't that any okay we are now put on England. We gonna sue Bukobi for fundamental rights. I just squeeze everything at the enemy toilets. That's the fundamental rights law. I just that's we couldn't get a grand get here the pieces. I just squeeze everything with the enemy toilet. Kabuya. How put that one? No. They did not come out and tell us that they have a fundamental rights. We got a fundamental rights on the toilet.
So one now I the rest here go and I forgive. I go like you
I'm
go.
gonna get it. Yeah, to get before for you make it. I'll go to the
Ezu go magodi na nnukwu mmanwụ. Ọ ma ife mmele.
They
Ịghọtago?
go like you to
So,
that.
saga m enye 10 million.
Hey.
Ịghọtago? Ọ ma ife mmele.
Okay, so it is. Oh, my sister. Try. Come on, again.
So, so ego like you get ego like you my brother Ezu, ego like you get
ekwubu na m eweta 15 mana ebe ọ na-ekpo 10 memekarị nnọọ iji ụwa mmewotu nke m
okay.
mmewotu nke mmeji wee wotu nke m ka nke ngarị so ka level kama mma karịa akarị ka m nọrọkwa ebe ka m werezie 10
Okay. Okay. Mgba ọ fọrọ oge ọbụla na-abụ na so complete ise ya
ọwụ 25 meanwhile ya enwe na donation
who this year? So you guys want us but ịma na ego ha na ha nọ no 2 million na anọ mmadụ na ka a mejikwa nke m invest o ya ụrụ who this year I'm etinye nke m na investment ịma na like an investment ịghọtago
my sister. What is that?
ego agba akasa onye bụburu okwu ebe a 20 b
20 billion.
Ijele pụta
okay,
ọbara
20 billion will enable us to buy 5 billion house. Okay, you are good.
So I saw to go the building.
You are
And then
good, yeah.
ọnwụ na ojechazie pụta ka anyị si na-ego afọ wee chọrọ ego ka o bido mebe something do useful maka inwe oke
Imana that time that them on a platform go bịara watago that incident took place Imana because of him that incident get na buy a war watago now agwara m ya sị I can support you with 10 million naira but you have to pay me with interest watago ihe na-eme amam you and that thing we mere m ji kwanye ọkụ na ya change the hand clock Imana wo ya with the target you know that right. You know, he wasn't targeted. Because of that incident, Merem Jishia, Igama, it's still say you demand. So now, I promise you 10 million, but interest got it too high. Because I think Mama they call for 10 million, you give the business. So the idiot to refuse, Shana, no, we put near, go get a telegram. You want to go? No, you only tell about me, put okay, put nega who got cost, so many things. Well, but people don't understand the hand clock on the wall. They want to hate now because no. Are we young with the first petition? Are we young with the main game? You want to go, but and they can't what the main game. It's a lot of the game. You want to go. So if you guys are raising money, I'm interested. 10 million. I still maintain my stand. I will give. You want to go. As you go, this money will put a 10 million on this dollars.
Attire, try again. Everybody, 10,000.
Ha follow ndị otu ha for over 4 months ndị otu ha raising 1.5 million.
Babe,
Actually,
I'm 700,000 now. You
yeah,
700,000. Somebody who beat here 3 or 3 days ago.
you see,
700 came. Got one poor woman. Oh, beat here. Can they the whole group with the nation could not raise?
Man, Western world area.
I begin to wonder what is really going on. What is really going on? So all this right on, we are behind you just by mouth. Could the people learn a family, huh? They protect their family, but now she right on. Could you just imagine? You know how people they useless people? How many the useless? Here used to see as an instrument of finishness. Eh? As I say right on, while you want a stronghold that can back you up. What do you mean? And when you hear what we need to go, get we go the contacts, a call, nobody will suppress your contacts.
Yeah.
And when you have so listen to me. I'm not Nigeria, no go enter Wahala. I'm go to your former. You want to go? But and when I'm contacts, carry contacts. I mean what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'm not saying today that nobody's above arrest. Which you know that and I got go in my head. Because there would have been a lot of energy. But the thing, when that thing happened, who are the people that will place call? Come on. And you're machine up in 2 hours. What to go? That is the thing. You don't have solid contact. When the contact, oh, man, take one, another contact are suppressed. I'm not what I'm saying. That is the main goal. I'm for sure I enter Nigeria trouble. And we go, but and when I'm so because again, and when people that will stand by me at all costs, money come and contacts. So Udele, you don't have money, you know, go contacts, we're strong. Come on here, pump not right on, carry the go. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Not people share with problem. That is where people they get in sobu. Eh, man, and way bargaining. Bahan sobu also. Bahan sobu also. Actually, sometimes okay, I here you. Sometimes I tell you, but because of the environment and the thing, you know, get you want you respect your own way. But some people, because of the social media emptiness, in the weed, in the gogoro, in the single mothers, frustrating the story, you release their frustration, and I say, I don't, you know, and the way that it's not on, none gonna write this it all. That's how life is.
Well, my sister.
Okay, oh God, this. So who name me fundraising? I just some click here Facebook. Who know? I'm not even getting a zoom.
All right.
I said the person life.
All right.
Come money and many. So I don't my people.
All right.
You share it, oh.
oge akwụkwọ na right on nke a ị na-agwa ya ahụ dị right on a agwa gị chere
Ezugo maka Chineke eh. Ezugo ịma na onye nwegodiri nwere mmadụ forget saga. Forget saga. Onye nwere one of my friend gave me wedding in January and I am ga-ebunye wo ofu ehi. Ofu nama correct. And Ezugo biko ọ dị ka ọ gị nwa ga-asụpụtara m datị nama. Ọ dị ka ga m enye gị ego ga-asụpụtara m datị nama. Kpụrụ ya chọm ka ị ga wedding ya. Kpụrụ ya. I'm enye gị ego transportation, don't worry. Kpụrụ ya. When I go out tattoo, I will pay the same homage. Like you need people that when things are like this, they will stand by you.
Exactly.
It's not about sometimes you do more to build that relationship. What I go on your big man in any is not a stupid person. On your big man, Lord, a stupid person. But little you can give, little sacrifice, that person will keep you for a long time. That's what matters.
Yeah.
What I go as you go to me go le ofu nama wo biko ki go take akpo ya na page gi first. I'm saying there go because Uwe go di on. Uwe go di on. Kame ya na ego di on. Before go less ya. Ngwano no bye bye no take care oh. Bye bye no. Kanga kwa don.
Dalo. As you go. You have to go now. Educate moment of truth. Aflongo ke bia comment ya be educate. No, don't worry. Educate moment of truth. Aflongo ke comment ya be educate. You have not been fair to Ijele. I have to be honest with you. You have not been fair to Ijele. And the Juo nwere ajojo. Educate iso na nde lafuli Ijele. Iso na nde lafuli Ijele educate. Yeah? And it's not fair. And since then, you have not done anything. You have not really done anything. You have practically not done anything for that young man. It's Onande Gwalie that Ijele, you are a force to reckon with. It's an Ande Gwalie Ijele. Also, Okwu Mandela. It's Onande Gwalie Ijele, you are a force to reckon with. You are a force to reckon with. Today, that force to reckon with na atafufu enoruzie onu na-echekwa another person unu ya akwa win at the trap. If run odoro mma, learn on how to tell people the bitter truth. Onye ama onye ke n'ụwa onye nwụrụ anwụ. So onye nwụrụ anwụ n'ụwa jigara ime onye ke na mmadụ ka ibe. And if onye ka ga-ekwanyere ugwu, it will take nothing for you iji wee kwanyere onye ka ugwu. Take for instance, Ijele kita, since it has been established now in Ijele and Ndenya na NH, and we have a level. Since it has been established now that Ijele, though, as helpless as I don't know who I can mention, why can't you people come down to your knees? Eh? Why can't you people come down to your knees and ask for apology? Eh? Ask for apology. You want to go? Yonu mbagalo no ni guno. Yonu mbagalo na nka akari guno. Yonu mbagalo no ngozi funu yeme na nka. Nwanne nka akari guno, nka ani guno. You want to go? Nka ani guno. Let's go no nwere ife ọzọ unu jideti nwere iri na azụ mmadụ amaghọ. Let's no nwere ife unu jideti na iri na azụ mmadụ amaghọ. Mana nka akari guno. 120 days and still counting. That is more than 4 months. What started like a joke. It started like a joke. And it started like a joke. Today, look at what is happening. You gotta go look at what is happening, man. Why can't you people do something? Why can't you people do something? Do something. Do something. Eh? Okono mwadi ibu no na cell, no na prison. Na languish na prison. Eh? Why can't you people do something? It's not fair, man. It's not fair, man. Channel of Truth, you will be stay there till next year. Hi, God. Now, kita kan no we malu no onye obodo ma ife. Kita kan no we confirm no onye obodo mu ife. Kita kan ji we confirm na Ebonyi son mu ife. Kita kan ji we confirm na Mathias mu ife. Sometimes o ho na nwa me etuka ho na nwa me enweku uche. These people took off. These people took off the moment they have followed a signal. They took off. Ijele wuluzie ofeka ha mo mgbe ekele nkokwa. It's very important for you to be at alert. Manu mgbe ikwuru se gbawa. Manu mgbe ikwuru se kwuru. Ijele had to smart enough after mgbe other people were running. He was busy maintaining the front for them. He was busy maintaining the front for them. Ibe na agboso nyama kwuru na emekuno. Inolufu katrila na abia. Inolufu katrila na abia. Inolufu ka caterpillar na abia. Ndị mmadụ gbafelu. Inolu na-eche ka caterpillar crush ya. Ebube nwanozi obi nọ n'ụla o. Ebube sayo na-ebilie na o. Nke egosigo unu na mmadụ enwe asọpụzụ ịda nwa Chineke ya ọnwụnwa. Mmadụ asọpụzụ ịda nwa Chukwu ọnwụnwa. Ka eke esi nwa Chukwu ọnwụnwa. Ịghọtago? Nọkata iwere aka cheru Chukwu mkpa. Nọkata iwere aka cheru chi aka mkpa. Nọkata iwere aka cheru chi aka mkpa. Izochukwu Joshua daalụ mana ekwugo m raidon nke a ọgwụ ọhụụ dị raidon na-agwara Ijele. Atrọst m ndị mụ na ha wee ji ife. Ọgọ dị right now na agwara Ijele nwanne anyị nwoke. Ifuru ife a na-ekwu. Ifuna this kind of love ha nwere ebe Ijele nọ, the kind of love they want to have where I am. Where you show them that kind of love. The kind of love ndị fụrụ n'anya ya okwu na ụka. Just look for instance, 2 days ago and yesterday alone, I missed from a program. I got to go. Or the Naka Collins Patrick, he was both ewu. Or the Naka Collins Patrick, he was both ewu. Fenji Suni was both ewu na ema ife. Ema ife. Mgbe Ijele no na jubilate over the tension no mass na ndị kanu na-ekwu no ya nwuni mebe ahụ ọdụka na ala hola mgba. Even if they like Hamas and the can, is it enough for you to wish in young one? Yeah? Even if they like here, why can't you wait for the court to issue a pass judgment on him? Hacho Yanga, Hacho asset here free. Yeah? Were you not there when Ijele was jubilating? Yeah? I am asking you, yeah? Matthias Nolo, let's celebrate Maka. Ụmụnne or accident ụmụnne nwere kedu ife na-agwa ya ebe ịmụ ife now I want to show you na ịmaghị ife ebe ịmụ ife now kedu ife ikwuru mgbe ha na-amụ okwu Mr. Ibu na ebeli ọba kedu ife ikwuru jee wetara m ife dị ma gosi ya mgbe ha na-amụ okwu chi nweta amaechi mmụọ na-agụ and others kelee ebe ị nọ kelee ebe ị nọ I am asking you you feel that now everybody deserve for equal justice. The Iwuba simply says everybody is considered innocent until proven guilty. So for as long as that person had to be proven guilty, why will you come out to mock him and even wish him the worst? Knowing fully well that no young family, well wishers, even followers. You think you are now your emotion should control the emotion of the rest of us. What are you separating? What are you separating? That when them what is you on happen here, on a pay onwe yule. Now wearing at the whole Lagos with the sticker. Now wearing at the street of Abuja with the sticker. No naslanda half a woki bay. Maybe woki bay allegation. When you focus for home, I can woki bay. And when he was doing that, were you expecting that Ebukobi will not act? I am asking you, were you expecting that Onyo Nekumake will not act? Onyo Nekumake Owosisi. You people were so dull that no one actually aware that it is enough. Even when it is obvious that no one had crossed the line, none of you was bold enough to tell him the truth. Today you want to come and start teaching us good moral. You want to come and start teaching us how to have woman conscience. Is that what you want to do? If you don't have draw. If you don't have draw, the measure in which you give is the measure you will receive. Matthias is not mocking people, though the way he does it might be the reason. He have a very. We are not mocking Ijele also. We are not mocking Ijele. Maybe the way we are doing it also. But we have good heart. We are not mocking Ijele. We are not mocking Ijele. We are not mocking Ijele. Maybe twice a man when he can do mock, but we are not mocking him. And we also have good heart. Okari hetua. Ijowa. My God, what if you actually equal? What if you actually equal? Papa will maybe not hear me forever. You gotta go. You gotta go. Ejike. We are not mocking him. It's that in Matthias Adam mock the mother. Maybe not the way OCMA. I beg you, no lose and bend anything though. Huh? I'm happy onye a ka ọ lụọ ọrụ m ife a hapụ nọkọta wụtakwara m another damage. So onwere onye na-amụ ọka ibe ya ebe ọ bụ na unu decidere na unu agha adekwu eziokwu ejike. We are not mocking him. Igbo Nation Palace TV, you are welcome my brother. You are welcome my brother. Unu decidere na unu agha adazi ekwu eziokwu. Then aka onye wetara mmadụ sara ya n'afa. O nwere onye zara afa sị na afa ewu aka onye wetara. So aka onye wetara enye. He was misbehaving. A lot of people now say, "Ezugo, oh no, na afu Ijele. You people should go and arrest Ijele. Can even na turu na egwu. No Matthias ko no follow. Jemu wako mo na mataka Matthias. Ijele akwaku unu since. Come and arrest him. Can even better no na eje arrest here. Today, I arrest Ijele. Uno patakwa na aka another thing. Can even na ako? Ijele asked for it. You people endorsed it. So why do you think that he cannot get what he asked for? I repeat, Ijele asked for it. He asked for it. He got it. Even when the people he was pushing tried everything possible to resist him, he kept on pushing and asking for it. So why do you think he cannot be given what he asked for? I am asking you a question. Ị na-try everything possible ka ị resist ye or continue na-akwa ya aka. Ị na-try ife niile ị na-try ka ị resist ye or continue na-akwa ya aka. Imegide ife otiwe gị ife iji ime ọkụwa gị ọkpọ iji ime okuto mmiri kwaba gị. At some point agwọ suppose oluo agwọ emeke n'ife o ji wee wụrụ agwọ ka ụmụazị ghara iji wee ke nkụ. Go 120 something days later, you people are still unable to do anything. Fela here moon. Ono ka biala ebe bia kwukwa modun no ka nwere ifele ikwu okwu. Modun no ka nwere ifele ikwu okwu. Modun no ka nwere ifele ikwu okwu after misleading somebody all this while. Amonna no ka nwere if amonna ka nwere ndị nwere ike bia nwuhi yourself when you face it okwu. You got to go. Mọnụ nwe ndị ka nwere ike ịbịa nwuhi ya nwee fesi ka ma wuhi ya na-ekwu okwu ebe a ka m nọ wee confirm na eke kpolu Ijele is in high spirit. He will come out stronger. Akụkọ Michael Jaya. Ijele is in high spirit. In high spirit ka ọ nọ wee na-eme every 3 hours ofentie. Ọ ka dụkwa in high spirit. In high spirit ka ọ nọ wee nọkata daa na na-agba ọbala. Ọ ka dụkwa in high spirit o. Ịghọtago? He's still in high spirit. Yes. Yes. You know in high spirit, you are faint. Yes. Madi faint evidence of high spirit. That is true. Yes. Then Madi da bobala evidence of high spirit. Yeah, Ezioku. I remember that is true. Yeah. That is true. That is true. Yeah. All evidence of high spirit after 120 days. They play. Okay, the day look, let me tell you people, we will keep reminding and counting the days. Yes. Okay, I go here. Ijele 120 days after. Ijele 120 days after. I want him. Asana oyi mụ na maka agwalo wa joy. Mana oyigo na mụ gwalo agwa. Where's the boy? So I can consider myself a good friend to Ijele because I tried to control him. I want him, but he refused. Yes, I warned him, but he refused. Now the people who took Ejike moment of truth are people who were clapping for him, wallowing in ignorance. Go every day go na Facebook na see na ọwụrụ be ndị ọcha na ọwụrụ na America na ọwụrụ na America. Now Ejike will be forced to ask you a question. If he Ijele melu wụrụ na be ndị ọcha ka Ijele melie, suppose you know before arrest ya. Yes, this is an important question ka njụrụ now. If I who melu wụrụ nọ na America go melu such kind of things. Hello? Kelebe ngwa na aga ka mmalụ o nwere ife na-eme ebe a. Yes. Okay, ma bịa that place. Ejike, I'm asking you, Ejike biasa anya, in the spirit of fairness, can you come on a social media space to come and start the issue in the mother? Ni yebu ha, ni yemenka. And I drag a galley mother, then stick out with a form mother, tea picture, put it up the street of Lagos and Abuja. They got to go. Ne bonya allegation, ne it the picture, yeah, that punya, put it up, na punya who na punya who wayo, na punya who any them. Can you do it in Europe? I am asking you. When Germany without getting sued or without being arrested. I am asking you. Let us be honest and let us tell ourselves the truth. Also kakono na funa ndocha haka. Man every other conduct una have here. Una have here to ndocha si a conduct unwe ha in an ordinary manner. Una have here. So I to aka mmesi we mukito ya mu ka ọ ya wụpụta nke a ọsọ ọzọ okwu na ụka ọgba ọsọ Ifrem ọnọnye ministry si na-eji mgbachakọ nsi ebe agba adaka o wee wule eziokwu go you have managed to open it. Okay. Ọ sị na-eji mgbachakọ nsi egbu na-eji mkpachakọ nsi egbe agba adaka o wee wule eziokwu onye ejighị ego ahụ ego kesi ịghọtago kesi akarịgo kesi 1 million kesi ahụ dị kesi 10 million kesi ahụ kesi 20 million mgbe data ife m kwuru ife a aghọtaghị m ife ọ na-ekwu ịghọtago ịmana asị na okwu wu inspiration ịghọtago and sometimes respect your old age and these people who too gifted with the spirit of God of ifuna that Ifrem si na-eji hụ mkpachakọ nsi egbe agba adaka aghọtaghị m ife o menuru ngwanụ ndị report na-abịago ndị report na-abịago but you people can do better na ọwụrụ na n'ihe send nwu ihe ada emetụ nwoke na like I love if possible let more people share this video. We have above 80 people sharing and those 80 of them cannot be just ndị okwu na ụka haya ndị okwu na ụka anyị mana ndị okwu na ụka na ebe niile nwere ndị ngasa anyị mana enwere ndị ndozi biko ndị ndozi nọ hia ọ bụrụ na ndị ngasa na-aghasa na edozi na-edozi as the ngasa. Of course you can't do it in Germany because the law is there and the pastor won't be doing those things too. Then the arrest is justified, but why not allow the law to go normal? Why hierarchy? Tell me, what do you mean by the hierarchy? If you educate, of course you can't do it in Germany because the law is there. That is what you should say. Forget about the pastors. When the pastors do something also in Germany, let the law take care of them. You want to go? Let the law take care of them. The law is going the normal way. The normal way una ebuje court. Open police when need to do more investigation on you. They will go to court. Water akwụkwọ ka e wee tile ogu na police. Ịghọtago eweta data akwụkwọ ka e wee tile ekwu ogu. Akwụkwọ ahụ expire kwa ha chọkwa ha ejekwa wetakwa 1 month ọzọ. 1 month ahụ agakwa ha chọghị ejekwa wetakwa 1 month again. Provided no nwere justifiable reason police ji wee chọ ka ha detain ọgụ. That is number 1. Then number 2, after ha gaziri na court wee remand ya na prison custody. Are you saying that it is not the legal way to do something ejike? Now after court remand on a prison custody, at the end of the day, when you push the bail for bail, court decided to grant you bail. Are they not going to demand for surety? Are they not supposed to be bail conditions? Are they not supposed to be bail conditions? I am asking you, Ejike, are they not supposed to be bail conditions in which not only meet the condition, the bail to show you that everything I make do legal. After he meet that bail condition, if you negotiate on also Sigbu Ijele nya wota say 5 million na ye wota nwe also Sigbu Ijele nya wota 5 million with 1 building na Jegunle na ye wota nwe. Let us tell ourselves the truth. Ejike, let us tell ourselves the truth. Also court Ijele nya wota 10 million naira with 1 building na Onitsha na ye wota nwe onye do ye kwe wolu building nya Jenyi Ijele onye ye kwe do wolu boys quarter Jenyi Ijele. I'm asking you people. There onye ye kwe wolu boys quarter we just short Ijele. Yeah, akwacha aka tiele okika aki no gati wolu building etala afu welu Jenyi Ijele oye Jenyi Ijele as surety. Yeah, all I expect from him is to plead with people he offended and change his way of life. Then life can. Thank you very much, my brother. At least when the the law is the one dealing with Udele. Thank you very much, engineer Tobe Frank. The law is the one dealing with Udele. You guys should allow the law in Nigeria do its job. When Nnamdi Kanu was arrested unjustly and still held for years, none of you found anything. Arrest. You guys are blaming the person that arrested him. Hasn't he been granted bail? What is stopping you, his fans, from helping him? Thank you very much. Eziokwu mwanya. You gotta go. Oh, look at more people wanting him to stay there. Is it a good thing? Look at more people wanting him to stay there. Now, Ijele lose gathering. Let me tell you why Ijele lose gathering. Somebody money with so many people shall downfall here. I suppose he that walk into any kind of trap. Yes, that is the truth. You gotta go. Somebody manna no when many people say it is a trap, nature or that win at that trap. You shouldn't be walking into any trap. That is the right thing to do. You stay out of trouble. You confront what you can confront, swallow what you can swallow, allow what should be to be. That is wisdom which nobody can tell you. That is wisdom which no textbook can teach you. Yes, you know that you were surrounded with Ndi Igbo. Him and Ndi Igbo, Ijele lose God. Why Ijele lose God? Why Ijele lose God? Okay, look at now. All the people who watch this program now to 5,000 or 4,000. Believe me when I say that more than 4,000. Yes, Nigeria deserve if on our the percentage any follow and the 4,000 something else you know deserve. We being well people men who will capacity to pull him out. Now it was called a spade is paid. Ijele lose gathering. He went too far. He didn't know when to stop, which is bad. In everything, not knowing when to stop is bad. Not knowing when to stop is very bad. Not knowing when to stop is very bad. And what will you get? What will you get when you don't know when to stop, your downfall will be inevitable. You ought to go every day. The man and I na comment section more. Ezugo, one half Ijele. Ezugo, one half Ijele. Oduka has no will if a plan no and will keep me. Ndo chiono. If I get the Matthias, when anything happen, until Matthias will think here that wisdom is profitable to direct him. Matthias asked for forgiveness. Why can't Ijele apologize to people who major malice or how apologize to them to be free? He's apologizing to them because now of a true no major. Onwere onye a eme if Ijele mele ebuka spare onye. Well, how can somebody print even TD Joshua self for people eme hodi odia? Mefo yi makwe e print fret na afa mmadu wori na apagari. Eh? Eh? Almost 90. Almost 90. Go. Makwe mmadu e print flyers na afa mmadu na brand onye ohi na brand onye wayo akpọ onye ohi ọ na ihe ejide onye kpọ onye ohi ka ọ bịa proof ka isi wee zuo ohi. All these things wee eziokwu ya wụ a na-ekwu eziokwu onwe ha ịghọtago eziokwu dị mma okwukwu mana ese na ihe ekwu eziokwu ngwatụwa ụga ịjụ na ihe ekwu eziokwu ngwatụwa ụga mmadụ wuo flyer wole bịa afa na flyer so brie na-akpagharị na the street of Lagos and Abuja na-akpọghị onye ohi na-asị na igbu onye ohi meanwhile isughị ife isughị ife ụna na-akụrụ ya aka maka na ọ na-alaiki onye ọ na-ekwu maka maka na ọ na-alaiki onye ọ na-ekwu maka anyị ekwugo m na ma mara na vidio one ya hụ nji ime mmadụ akpọ m sị m ma emesina kpọọ ije ụwa o nwebụ vidios m mere ịkpọ na fon o nwebụ videos mmelu post you on na phone si mezugo mo drop what the video drop the same thing with you. Yes, etu aka ka onye fụrụ mmadụ n'anya si eme because e watch go fu na video ahụ onye ahụ mere udo capable of iti onye ahụ na trouble ikpu onye ahụ na phone si ya biko mana iwe ozi because of na ị like ho onye ọ na-ekwu maka shefuo na onye ahụ anyị prove nwe ife ahụ ọ na-ekwu na trouble si bịa. That is what shows that na love onye ahụ. Being able to know that this is not what the person can prove. Yes. Being able to know that no nya I prove we fa no nya on decide to push it further is what love is all about. Obole da kolo yaka ne enjoy the groove of the moment, knowing fully well that no nya na ekuto onye go na enwe common enemies. One day if no nya ha na anya now, that is not love. Don't just say it's a trap. Will Ijele a main specimen because people are like and he was so daft. Yeah, Isi. Almost very command to here. Yes, here. He was acting so weak that no mahom anyenelene. Malanya lolalo. Balaram moknizon, ikukwano maka the ten keta. Balaram moknu abafunan. These are the people what freedom is all about. These are people who what they are up against is bigger than them and are the thing they're capable of swallowing them. Yeah, man, a wisdom man. I remember I remember the time Ejide Matthias. Then there was a time when he needed to do a public video where he told people that now everything do okay. In as much as Nambojeri made that live video, no garnish there, but at least that was that same video. A lot of members here after him, but he did it. He did it. Wolojo, dale enwenenu. You gotta go. Wolojo, dalo enwenenu. Ojo, dalo enwenenu. That is it. Wisdom over pride. When you choose wisdom over pride, you will stay less out of trouble. When you choose wisdom over pride, you will stay less out of trouble. He chose wisdom over Matthias over pride. He choose wisdom over pride. And that is I commend Rinya for that. I have to be honest. I commended him for that. Eh? I made a video because he was about to be picked up the next Monday. Agwago lawyer say, I provide here. He shows wisdom. He swallowed his pride. He came out and do the live broadcast for the sake of his freedom. Today he's enjoying it. There's no need going out for a fight with somebody who you know that the person is bigger than you. With inequality. Go with inequalities. So I will have to end this live broadcast now. I gana banke eno. But let us celebrate our brother Ijele. 120 something days to 130 days. It's not easy. It's not easy. I must say. For him to pull through like this, despite the challenges, a lot of faintings and the Igbo poster color all in the name of Igbo Bala. He's even at detention honor there now learn how to become a movie star. And I think that the best male performing actor of the year should go to him because it is not easy to put up such shows. To put up such shows just to create and to raise emotions of people. But unfortunately, the problem ways to go so let us celebrate him. Let us celebrate him until the day him and his members will decide to have sense. That day, their sense yellow hacker. I will end this live broadcast here. I don't know, ma'am.